movie is getting intense. I did not expect that plot twist.
I know, right? This is my favorite twist.
Hey,
I like it, bro. What's wrong, bro? You're not watching?
look at this.
What? An earthquake? What do we do?
Bro, let's watch some news to gather more information.
Before an earthquake, identify safe spots, secure heavy objects, and participate in earthquake drills. Know where to duck, cover under a sturdy desk, and hold on until the shaking stops.
What are you guys watching the news? What's going on?
We just got an update. An earthquake might hit us.
Then what do we do? First, we must remember the duck, cover, and hold. So we must duck under a steady table like this and cover our head and neck like this. After that, we must hold into something sturdy until the shaking stops.
Okay.
What if we're near a door?
You should stand into the doorway and hold onto the sides.
We also need an emergency exit too.
And a plan if someone gets hurt.
During an earthquake, stay calm, duck under a sturdy desk, cover your head, and hold onto a doorway until the shaking stops.
It's happening! Stay calm!
By following safety measures during an earthquake, you can prevent injuries, panic, and being trapped under debris.
Keep holding until the shaking stops. It's so strong!
That was close. My heart is racing.
Guys, don't panic. Just hold on.
When the shaking intensifies, stay low, protect your head, and hold on to a sturdy object until it stops.
Be careful. The window might break. Ah! My arm!
I think I hit my head.
Guys, almost there. Stay put.
Is it over?
It's over.
After an earthquake, check on everyone for injuries and provide help if needed.
I hit my head on the table. I feel dizzy.
My arm hurts. I think I twisted it.
After an earthquake, assist the injured, call for help, and stay alert for aftershocks.
I think Jovel is injured. While Lev hit her head.
I called for help. Hello, we have 2 injured after the earthquake. We need an ambulance immediately. I have first aid training. Let me check them.
After an earthquake, call for help, evacuate to an open area, avoid using elevators, and stay updated on emergency instruction.
Joe, don't move your hand too much. And Jake, just sit and rest.
Everyone, we did great by staying calm and following the plan. Now, let's go!
And always remember to stay calm and be safe.